a Cybertruck was seen drag racing a $2.5 million Koenigsegg Agera, and it almost beat the Supercar. The Cybertruck had a lead off the start as expected, but was passed just before the finish line by the Supercar. One of the disadvantages the Cybertruck had was it had the maximum speed was limited to only 112 miles per hour. The Koenigsegg kept pulling when the Cybertruck topped out. That's why ICE cars always come back, because they never tap out. The Cybertruck isn't even a race car. That's insane to see the monstrous heavy truck, which is not that great drag coefficient, giving a heavy competition to a lightweight supercar. One thing to look at here is the price difference between both the cars. The Koenigsegg is way too expensive and the Cybertruck cost just $100K, and the performance it provides as a truck is mind-boggling.